Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Fievel in depth. First, the definition. Fievel means a fictional animated mouse character from the American Tail films. Think of it simply as a brave little mouse on a big adventure. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Fievel traces back to a Yiddish name meaning bright or fine. Over time, it's been used by filmmakers in the late 1980s. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Fievel in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Fievel embarks on a journey to find his family in the classic animated movie. Correct example 2. My little brother loves watching Fievel's adventures every weekend. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Fievel my way out of homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Fievel correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Fievel means a fictional animated mouse character from an American Tail films. It comes from a Yiddish name meaning bright or fine, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Fievel down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.